Hello friend, today we are going to see how we can start three-phase induction motor by using direct on-line starting. That's why our topic is called direct on-line starting three-phase induction motor. Here there is important material or main component required for starting three-phase induction motor. When we use direct on-line starting method, the main component required are three-phase circuit breaker used to protect against an overload and short circuit on the power circuit component. The second is single-phase circuit breaker reserved for control circuit protection against also short circuit and the overload. Stop push button is used to stop all circuit operation or to stop the circuit operation. Start push button is used for running our electrical motor, contactor, and overload relay. Contactor is used as electromagnetic switch and an overload relay is used for overload and overheating protection. Our load is a three-phase induction motor which converts mechanical electrical energy into mechanical energy. The next step, we are going to follow the steps of learning three-phase induction motor by using direct on-line starting method. Here there is supply generator, three-phase circuit breaker used to protect our power circuit, single pole or circuit breaker, contactor and thermal relay, overload relay. The last, there is three-phase induction motor, but also there is another control devices which are stop push button for stopping the operation or stop the running of motor, and start push button which run our electrical motor. Here there is step how you can connect our component. The component of control circuit are single pole circuit breaker, stop and start push button, and self-holding of main contact. And also the component of power circuit are three-phase circuit breaker, main contact, overload thermal relay, and three phase induction motor. Thank you for watching this video.